Hello, welcome to the Audio Mova Learning channel. In this video, we have listening in easy English about different topic each day. Let's talk about the psychology of decision-making in virtual reality. When we enter the world of virtual reality, our minds are transported to a place where the lines between the real and the virtual blur. This unique environment offers psychologists a fascinating new way to study human behavior, especially in the context of decision-making. In virtual reality, VR, we are presented with scenarios that simulate real-life situations, allowing researchers to observe how people make choices and interact with their surroundings. Imagine being in a virtual skyscraper and having to decide whether to cross a shaky bridge to reach the other side. Your palms sweat, your heart races, and your mind is filled with uncertainty. This scenario, although not real, elicits genuine reactions that psychologists can analyze. Virtual reality can create a sense of presence and immersion that traditional methods cannot replicate. This heightened sense of reality opens up a world of possibilities for studying decision-making processes. Through VR simulations, researchers can investigate how factors like risk aversion, time pressure, and peer influence impact our choices. For example, a study might examine how individuals react when faced with a high-stakes decision in a virtual environment compared to a similar scenario in the physical world. By analyzing these responses, psychologists can gain valuable insights into the nuances of decision-making. Furthermore, VR allows for the manipulation of variables in ways that would be impractical or unethical in real-life experiments. Researchers can create controlled environments to isolate specific factors and observe their effects on decision-making. This level of precision enables a deeper understanding of the cognitive processes involved in making choices. Moreover, virtual reality is not limited by physical constraints. Researchers can design scenarios that challenge traditional norms and constraints, pushing the boundaries of human behavior. This flexibility opens up a new frontier in the study of decision-making, offering endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. As we continue to unlock the potential of virtual reality, our understanding of decision-making processes will undoubtedly evolve. By bridging the gap between the virtual and the real, psychologists are uncovering valuable insights into the complexities of human behavior. So next time you put on a VR headset, remember that your choices in the virtual world are not just pixels on a screen. They are windows into the workings of the human mind.